Alright, this is the final look. Steering wheel turn all the way to the right. This is as much space as you have. These are 33 by 12.5 R22s on OEM 22 by 9 Denali wheels. So I'm trying to give you guys the best look. This is as much space as you have right there. This has the 2.5-inch leveling kit. It has a little block underneath, and then there's the shims on top of the spacer that I showed. Shims on top of the strut that acts as spacers that I showed in the previous video. Again, these are Terra Ridge Grapplers, 33 12.5 R22. And this is the space you're working with. So at 100% lock to lock turn, you have this much. Well, it's not even 100% because nobody's holding the wheel, but I wouldn't go 100%. This is the cylinder deactivation, what they call that, AMF or AFM. I think the new trucks now is some dynamic crap, but you put this in a cigarette, you put this in the OBD2 port, and it keeps this in V8 mode all the time, 24 hours, 7 days a week, as long as the vehicle's running or in the on position. This prevents the lifter knock and all that other nonsense that the motors are prone to for GM. They also sell these for Dodge, Dodge Chrysler, Jeep, and also all the other new trucks that have that start-stop feature. Lincoln, Chevy, Dodge, Jeep, all the manufacturers that have that stop-start feature. You can also purchase a module like this that disables it. They claim it saves fuels, but I don't get the concept, but whatever. So this is the final product right here. This is a 2.5 to 3.5 inch upper control arms from Rough Country. Now you take that dust cap off and you're able to grease the fitting that's on the ball joint. That's it for now.